how to trim video in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to trim video on CapCut. So after you import the video to your timeline like this, all you have to do now, let's say now I want to trim this video. So take this arrow, take this your line, take this white line to a position where you want to split the video or trim the video. So let's say I want to trim this video from the end of this text. So now I add this line to the end of the text where I want to split or trim. So just click on the video. After I select the video, just click on this split. So now it just now splitted my video. So now let's say if I want to delete this one, or if I want to take this one to some position on my editing, you can go ahead and do it. If you want to delete just this one, just select the video and click on this delete button. So from there the video will be deleted. Same way, if you want to like split or if you want to trim the text, you can follow same way to trim anything on your editing. Just take this line to the position where you want to split the or trim the effects or the character you add in your editing. So let's say I want to now trim this text. I take this line to this position and then select the text or select the audio or select the video you want to trim and then click on this split. So from there now it splitted your video. From there, if you want to delete the fat, just select the fat that you want to delete and click on this delete button. From there now you trim your video, and that's it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe.